are unpleasant odors, increased humidity, dampness in corners, and the possibility of freezing in winter becoming an issue in your home? Have you noticed mold and fungus on walls, corners, or ceilings? It could all be a result of faulty ventilation. Even if you hear the distinctive sound when turning on your ventilation system, it doesn't guarantee that it's working properly. In this video, we will demonstrate a quick and easy way to check the functionality of your ventilation system. Don't let poor ventilation affect your home tune in this week to find a solution.
Hi, it's Peter with Metro Property Management. I'm here to give you another weekly tip. And this week's tip is to how to test your exhaust fan in your bathroom to see if it's working properly. So you may get, in your bathroom, you may get mold on ceilings, a lot of moisture on walls, and mirrors and stuff like that. And so what we do to test, make sure our exhaust fans are working properly, we take a sheet of tissue, we stick it up to the fan, and if it draws up to the fan, we know that moisture is getting inside. If this happens to fall down, you put it up and it falls down, so you obviously have an issue with your fan, and that's the reason why you're not getting moisture outside, and you're probably getting mold on ceilings and walls and stuff like that. So that's our weekly tip, so give it a try. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more tips.